Here's my chickens. That one's named Ruru. The one with smaller one is called Baby. They're eating now. Clovers.
Look at you, Juno.
And I made this. It's a bird feeder. This guy hasn't figured out how to use it yet. He's missing all his neck feathers. I put it on there because we used to put it in that bowl, but the squirrels would eat all the food. This way the squirrels have a harder time of getting to the food. They really like these. They're called clovers. You can find them like growing anywhere. Hey, you're very camera friendly. Come here. Okay. They're like quite bitter too. I don't know why they prefer eating from my hand. Ah. Hey, you want to be on the camera too? Hey, why don't you learn how to eat from that feeder over there, okay? Come on, you could do it. Learn by imitation. Or you can just dig up dirt. I made this other feeder for them before, I'll show you too, but it wasn't really successful. Actually, the simpler one is the most successful. Let me show you the one I made. Excuse me, sir. You're gonna have to move. Thanks. Alright, so this one is the old feeder, and it's got kind of like a lever pattern. When it's naturally it's closed, you see the window there, it's just a piece of plastic. But when something steps on it, it'll open, and there's like a little drawer inside with food. The chickens have learned how to use it, but the problem with it is it wastes too much food. They'll spill. Most of the food will spill. I'll open it for you so you can see what's inside. So the food goes in here. I used to have like a water bottle here, so they could also drink water from here, but the problem was when they try to get food from here, it will there's like a little gap there and it will just fall to the bottom, so we were wasting a lot of food that way. So I just put this thing together yesterday. It seems very intuitive, at least for this chicken, fat chicken. He's gotten the hang of it pretty quick. This little one, it's a different story. I thought you were the smart one, huh? Why haven't you learned? Maybe you did learn? You're just too shy to show off, huh? Okay. It's all good, man. Alright, well, hopefully we have defeated the squirrels, and they will no longer steal food from our chickens. Alright, see you later.